Hi everybody in the world. How are you now? Are you okay for today? I hope everything goes well for you all. In front of me is a package about die cast. I got it from Uliik Lakeside Pitstop, a die cast seller from Facebook. He comes from Bandung, West Java, Republic of Indonesia. Well. Okay. Let's open it. First, I need a cutter. Okay. I continue to cut it. What an amazing box. I think. Alright, I open it now. I will cut again here. And here. Here we go, the first package is off. I swear, this package is very cool. Okay. Let's open it again. I need a cutter again. I will cut it here first. And I will cut another side. Before, we must sterilize it with disinfectant for safety. We spray it for all side. I will cut it here first. And here. Okay. Look. The package inside is so amazing. So cool. It is opened now. There are bubble wraps inside. 1, and 2, and 3. Here it is, a die cast I just bought. A matchbox die cast. The name is Mercedes-Benz Champion. It is my favorite sedan. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I will give my review on it in another video. Thank you.